Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to get your wig from this to this. Crimping is a simple and easy way to remove any unwanted shine from your wig. Make it appear less cheap and allows it to be easier to style. This is also a first installment of a series where I will be styling this entire Jinx wig. So if you're a fan of Arcane and want to style your very own Jinx wig, stay tuned in the following weeks as we style this together. Or if you're just looking to learn the basics of wig styling, make sure to stay tuned. Now without further ado, let's begin. To start off, we will need a few things. Got to be hairspray, a crimper, and a straightener. A rat tail comb with fine teeth, or a normal comb with fine teeth. And lastly, some clips to section the hair. First things first, we're going to brush out all the hair you would like to crimp. Then we are going to section any hair you don't want to crimp out of the way. Next, take your crimper and make sure the heat setting is on medium. Anything too hot could damage your wig hairs too much by singing them or burning them. And we don't want a melted wig. Make sure that when you're crimping, you don't leave it stationary. This will create a harsh texture. If you notice a harsh texture after crimping, you can simply clamp the crimper over the hair and use it like you would use a straightener to smooth out the hair. Let's get a closer look. In order to create the fluffy texture with no harsh lines, I like to hold the hair out horizontally. Crimp quickly in up and down motions down the entire section. Then smooth it over with the crimper at the end. When you're done crimping your section, make sure to comb through the hair while it's still hot to make sure it stays smooth. If the hair cools before combing, it could cause the hair to get too fluffy or frizzy. Once I'm done crimping the section, I like to take my straightener on a medium setting and further smooth the hair. Finally, at the end, I like to take the Got To Be hairspray and spray a light coating over the hair just to calm down any frizziness. And that's all for this week. Thank you for tuning in and crimping this wig with me. If you're interested in more wig tutorials, make sure to tune in next Tutorial Tuesday, where I will be teaching how to create a glued hairline. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good day and stay safe, my friends.